Wow, look at all that. Nice, isn't it? Good afternoon, guys. Simon of Travel Agent Hanoi again on a live stream in Hanoi. We're going to go and see the markets. At the moment we're in Sweet Street, Candy Street. Got loads of different types of sweets, crisps, and then you've also got toys as well. Oh no, Wilming's going to be interested in these. He's looking for Hulk. No Hulk there. Sorry, son. So we're going to head on through the markets, through the little streets showing the markets, and we'll try and get into Dong Xuan market also, which is a huge wholesale market in Hanoi where all the little shops take all their stuff from. Will. My son keeps spinning around like a pirouette, not looking where he's going. So this street actually is where I used to come for a kombinzan, which is like a working men's buffet. And there used to be an old lady just here on the left. Tremendous food, quite low quality, but as I say, a working man's lunch or dinner. Right, watch these cars. See, they're chopping up a pig here. If you're vegan or vegetarian, look away now. Oh, that's the lady there, I think. She's selling just bun rio now, which is a soup. Hi Thomas, how you doing, mate? We're in the market. I'll take you down this way first, and then we'll go back up towards the main market. This street's quite good. Got loads of looks like bamboo there, tofu, half a pig, as you do. Wow. I've actually butchered half a pig before at home, and never again. I think the only thing that I managed to get out of it was pork chops, and I felt sick. I didn't want to do it ever again. It didn't turn me vegan or vegetarian, but it did put me off meat. We had a freezer full of it. We've got all the fish, shrimp. Oh, look, all the shrimp, Will. Daddy likes shrimp and squid. Clams, your mum likes clams. Got fresh vegetables here as well. So this street is actually close to a hostel and a hotel that I've stayed at. Quite an eye-opener when you see meat on tables if you've never seen it before. It's kind of a bit worrying for countries like Australia, like you, Thomas, or the UK or America. When everything's super clean, you know, you wouldn't see this. I mean, it's a warm day, and there's slabs of meat out here. But as I mentioned in the other video, they're very healthy people, the Vietnamese. Right, Wilmy, you come back, go this way, go back to the main market, yeah. And they're also the least obese country in the world, apparently, 2.1%. That's a cracking percentage, that. I don't know what Britain is, or Australia, or America, but 2.1 it isn't. You see all the fresh fruit and vegetables. Oh, pineapples, see pineapples, Will? Whoa. Yeah, see already. Mushrooms as well. Few bikes here. So guys, what's been going on? where you live. I see there's a few of you online at the moment. I did do a live stream earlier around the lake to show the family sort of atmosphere, all the kids and parents out playing. I took my son for a Dong Xuan ice cream, as we always do. And then I took him for a toy car ride. He was playing around in a tank for 20 minutes. 70,000 for 20 minutes. The sun was shining just now. It is pretty humid. And when the sun shines as well, that's just a killer. Wow, look at all that. Nice, isn't it? Always colourful, isn't it? Always colourful. Always a hive of activity here. People picking stuff up, dropping things off, transporting things. You got your dried squid over there. You got your blankets and pillows, cushions over there. Will, what is that? Wow. Look at all that fruit, Will. Nice, isn't it? Beautiful fruit. It's funny because pomelo are quite like an orange or a grapefruit, not as acidic as a grapefruit or orange, but bigger than orange. We grow them in the village. Don't touch, don't touch. And they're pretty cheap. Last night I was having a beer with a friend, Vietnamese friend, and they brought over a plate of pomelo, and I just noticed the price that he put on the ticket. 99,000. I mentioned it to my Vietnamese friend. He went, so whoa, hang on a minute. He said, I'll pay 50 but not 99. That's ridiculous. So if you are in a beer hall and they do stick something on your table and you start eating it, be aware it may be more than you're expecting to pay. Well, you should have smell-o-vision here because it smells gorgeous. So I just saw some chopsticks there, actually in my Vietnam Village Life channel. I'll take you to a chopstick factory that I've noticed just near my house, near my home. So if you're not subscribed to that channel, why not? Get yourself over to Vietnam Village Life. You'll see how chopsticks are made. So this street here is on the outside of Dong Xuan Market, and so basically there's a lot of sort of kitchenware being sold, pots and pans and strainers and chopsticks and what have you, teapots, tea sets, all sorts of stuff. Right, here's Dong Xuan Market. Now you can walk around the outside and see all the clothing. What I want to do is I want to go in the inside and show you what's occurring inside. Here we go. Let's go in here. Now I'm not sure how the signal's going to be like, guys. If it cuts off, I'll see you next time. Do check out the video when I put it on the channel as a video. You go forward, Will. You go ahead. You can buy anything. Transistor radios, torches, hair curlers. Don't need them. Tripods, earphones, microphones. Oh my God. I don't think there's anything you can't buy in this market. Wow. Where are we going? We go this way, yeah? watches. I'll never buy a watch in Asia again. Now I did try and buy shoes in here before and she just shooed me away. No, excuse the pun. Those of you listening to the live stream, it's gone off because I'm in deep inside the market. But what I'll do is I'll continue for the video that I'll upload later, and they'll give you a brief look inside this market. It's expected to lose signal in here, I suppose. The cuddly toys, hey, key rings, purses, bags. I think they're back. I was saying just earlier, guys, if you get cut out, just check out the video I'll upload later. I was expecting to lose signal there. Okay, this is on the outside. You've got places that sell rubber rings and all sorts, clothing, underpants, shorts. So if you do want to come here and you are not a Hulk like me, you might stand a chance of finding something that'll fit you. There's like your swimming costumes here as well. Well, the sun's out, bloody hot. Very hot, isn't it? And we'll finish off with some toys on the corner. Okay guys, so this is the front of Dong Xuan market. You notice the quite unique style of building here. When you do come to Vietnam, check it out. Don't be surprised if you get bowled over by people. They don't care. They just want to do their business, their work. They don't give a flying F for any tourists. So there we go, Dong Xuan market, guys. Thanks for tuning in. Say bye-bye. Bye.